bitch! Motherfucker!
Drink your beer fast.
God damn it!
Chug it like a nigger ball sack.
Come on. Come on, pussy.
Fuck you!
That'll get rid of your heartburn.
I know that, bitch.
Oh yeah, do you want those pepperoni things? Because you gave me heartburn.
Take the goddamn picture! Man!
Goddamn video, stupid.
Oh, you fucking heifers. Bitches.
He can't chug a beer to save his life.
Fucking son of a bitches. Get that on video.
This is how long it takes David to drink a beer.
Oh, fuck you.
How much you got left, David?
God damn. God damn. Fuck. Fuck. God damn. Oh, bitch. Kick me.
Hurry up.
Fuck you. You fucking heifer.
10 minutes later.
Ooh, fuck. God damn.
The battery's gonna die. Finish the damn thing.
Trying to, damn it. Just upset my stomach, dude. Make me chug a fucking beer I can't even fucking swallow. Kill it, dude. That was good.